Hey everyone, quick heads up before we begin. This is not a short video. This is a complete AI tutorial series, divided into 4 parts, so you can actually learn, not just watch. This right here is part 1. If you stay till the end, you'll understand why AI is no longer optional, especially if you care about your career, your income, or your future. And yes, this is made for beginners. Calm, simple, step by step. If you like this style of explanation, just drop AI in the comments. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical AI knowledge. Alright, let's start properly. Let me say something very honestly. AI is not here to replace people. AI is here to replace people who don't know how to use it. And that sounds scary, I know. But it's also a huge opportunity. Right now, in offices, studios, businesses, and even freelance work, people are doing the same job. Same role, same hours, but one earns more, gets promoted faster, works with less stress. The difference? One of them uses AI correctly. Let's take a simple example. Imagine 2 employees working in marketing. The first one writes emails, reports, and ideas manually. The second one uses AI to draft, improve, and organize everything, then adds their human touch. Who do you think finishes work faster? Who looks more productive to the manager? Exactly. In this 4-part series, I'll show you how to use AI at work without sounding robotic, how freelancers save hours every single day, and which AI skills actually matter, not the hype. No complicated words, no fake promises, just practical knowledge you can use.
Be brutally honest for a second. I won't take your job, but someone using AI very well. And that's exactly what this part is about. Today I'll show you how people are quietly using AI at work to save time, look smarter, and yes, get paid more. Now picture this. You and your colleague have the same role, same experience, same salary. But one of you finishes tasks in half the time, writes clearer emails, prepares better presentations. Not because they're more talented, but because they know how to use AI properly. Here's what professionals actually use AI for daily. 1. Writing and communication. Drafting emails, reports, proposals. Instead of starting from 0, they start from clarity. AI gives a clean first draft, you give it judgment. 2. Meetings and notes. Meetings are exhausting, right? People let AI summarize key points, action items, deadlines, and walk out of meetings looking organized, without trying harder. 3. Research and thinking. AI doesn't replace thinking, it removes the boring part before thinking. You ask better questions, you make better decisions. Here's something no one tells you. Managers don't reward effort, they reward results. If AI helps you deliver results faster, clearer, and calmer, you become dependable, and dependable people get promoted. People who understand AI aren't just workers anymore, they become problem solvers. And problem solvers don't chase salaries, salaries chase them. This is why AI skills are becoming career insurance. Quick warning though, don't copy-paste blindly, don't sound robotic, and never let AI replace your judgment. Use AI like a sharp tool, not a crutch. So, just to ground this, AI saves time, AI improves clarity, AI increases perceived value at work, and perceived value changes careers. In the next part, we'll see how people use AI to create content, side income, and momentum without burning out. See you in part. Here's where most people mess up. They generate a voice, but forget to build a scene around it. Today I'll show you how to turn a simple voiceover into a full cinematic AI video with movement, background, lip sync, and flow. Most AI videos fail for 3 reasons. 1. The background is static. 2. The voice feels disconnected. 3. Scenes don't flow naturally. Fix these 3, and your video instantly looks professional. You don't need expensive software. These tools are free or have free plans. And yes, this exact setup works on beginner systems. I mention all free tools in description or comment box, please check it first. Always start with voice, not visuals. Generate your full narration first, clear, calm, and confident. This voice will control your entire video. Now here's the trick. Every sentence needs a matching visual action. If the voice explains, the character moves slightly. If the voice pauses, the camera breathes. Never overmove the camera. Slow pans, soft zooms. That's it. AI videos look fake when they move too much. One continuous background sound, low volume. No cuts, no restarts.
Your music should support the story, not interrupt it.
Here's the simple formula. Voice finishes, gives camera moves, gives next scene fades in. No jump cuts, no black frames, no silence gaps. If your character suddenly switches size or the background disappears, your prompt is wrong. Always force full horizontal framing in every single scene. In the next part 4, I'll show you how to fix errors, polish scenes, and export a clean YouTube AI video is almost done, but if you upload it right now, it will still look amateur. Today we fix everything and publish it like a professional creator. Open your video editor. If you're a beginner, use CapCut Desktop. If you want professional quality, use DaVinci Resolve. Import everything into the timeline. Scenes first, voiceover second. Music last. If lips move before sound, drag the audio forward. If sound comes first, drag audio backward. Perfect lip sync is the difference between AI video and real video. If your voice cuts suddenly, add fade in and fade out. Now the audio flows smoothly. Download copyright-free music from these sites. Music should be felt, not heard loudly. If any scene looks vertical, select Clip Give Scale to 115 to 120%. Fill the full screen. No black bars. Ever. These tiny color tweaks make AI footage look cinematic. These settings are perfect for YouTube compression. Open YouTube Studio and upload your video. Write a curiosity-based title. Never write boring titles. Open canva.com and create your thumbnail. Bright colors, big text, strong emotion. Add keywords and description and tags. This helps YouTube understand your video. 1 year from now, you'll wish you started today.